they beautiful, Charlie? Rosellas. And he's trying to eat the onion. He wants the onion. Can't eat the onion. He's popping up and down. Yes, I can see you guys. You are beautiful. Rosellas. Look at the colours. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? They must be getting hungry to come here to try to eat an onion. Oh my God. You watching them, Charlie? Here's Charlie watching them. He's going, what the hell? What are these birds doing in my backyard? They know we're watching too. They've got their eye on you, Charlie. Now they're going to eat. Yeah, you can have some. You can eat it. Go for it. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my goodness. They're getting very, very close. Aren't they beautiful? Charlie? They want food. They're going, feed us, feed us. Ooh, now they're really looking at you. Yes, I can see you guys. I can see you. You are beautiful. Oh no, don't go up there. Don't want to go up there. There's nothing over there. I wonder if they're boyfriend and girlfriend, Charlie. There's Charlie just going, where are you? Where are you? He's going, what the hell? What the hell? They are hungry. Hello. We're watching you. Are you watching us? Watch you. Much nicer to look at this than the horrible clouds. They're looking for food, Charlie. They don't want to eat you though, baby, and you don't want to eat them. Look how beautiful they are. He's going to jump off. Here comes his friend. He goes hop, 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 hop. Oh, they got there now. And off they go. Bye, birdies. Bye. Charlie, what do you think about that? Where are you? Charlie, they're gone now. Yeah, you can go and check it out now. Now we'll go and check it out. Bye. They're not there anymore, Charlie. They've gone. Oh, he wants to go out now. Bye.